1 2. Cable, bro. Oh my word. Oh my word. One two. One. Uh, oh. Utwa. Rone. But I'm not sure if people are there today. Kerale mo gaming. The Red Bull give you wings. What about ile event like that? So turning an 8 in naha. Tarot ba phatola di event tle re le gone hela. Nkere malik tak. Ke na le lona. Okay. Je peda bereka. Anyway. Oh, there's a heist going on. Bashaya heist is somewhere. Hello, the colleagues I'm the guy. And then also get touch on my D. I don't think even in the game there's people though. Like it's my velocity. Get at the velocity more mouse. So first thing, Liboni Mutagol. I know that guy. He's mtagona heta taburile. He's ya guy. Tatula make a meet. I know that guy. Kemang. On the frontat. I forgot his name, but I'll try to call him. Because I'll tell him to show him like change the lona down. Kitchen number, but I don't remember. Stance one. Stance. Ramos dancing. Shopi gante gate. Horayo ne guy. Ma se horayo naga. pipe. Ke tswa go e latlhela pipe nyana. Ska nyatsa o e bona ile kana nyana Oh, le batikile ne ke sa le bone. Okay. Batho ba joina ka iketla gore ba tla mphitlhela le gore. It's so small but powerful, my guy. Ke rata bonyenyane ba teng. Ha ke ikgatle ka yone tle mona. Ao monna. I want ke batla smart casual. Or shutu. Shutu or smart casual. That's the look for today. Shutu or smart casual today. That's what we are going for. Ke tla go nna le chiki gompieno. Okay. And then shete. Black shirt. Wait, darling. Black shirt. Have you seen what Weddy Ken is cooking? What is he cooking? Kubatla black, yeah, black. In shoot all black. Hey, gotlhe black, okay. But this black is not, it's not giving me black, man. Arna go bontsha shoes. Shoes in name formal kana the what thing? Sika stampa. Stampa sa in chief. Oh, blazer. Hey, this is a blazer. Got the like formal shoes as well. Oh yeah, more contact. Black. Ai tla tla rolo go mo tlhogong mo kante o rweleng. Ke mo rola yang go ma go apere mo. for salon shapo. Ka tla nna like a business. Aha, ni ka ta go ntsha. Ke a re ntsha China. What I don't get is ka tla ntsha mo ga apere motlhogong. Ke tla go morola mo ga apere motlhogong. Qatar Energy. Okay. I thought I should leave it. Ke irileng yaanong. Ai. Ke sentse. Monna o ratile GTA thata. Chat ke sentse. Ha ke tsore ke irileng. Eish. I think it's somewhere here that for my okay. Hola. Inside. Sharp. Malapi. Huh? Discount code. Eish. Ai. O le reka e le gore. Hey banna. No, mo check 17 hela kana Pro Max. Ai. Kana 17 Pro Max mana ke kolo yo itse. No, ke ta mmotsa da ke ta bua le ena. Gore ka nna bo bokae. Sure. Go godimo. Sharp. Ra motho mo ra nthekele phone. Guys, la re ke togele di go godimo e. Pro Max nta bafana ba ba di Pro Max. I don't even have the 17 Pro Max. Lare naban, keep it, remove it. Etogele. Nta. Let's see how many people about to get etogele. Remove. Oh, but I didn't remove Baban. So I don't. Keep it. Togele. We have 2 remove, we have 2 trogelas, so it's a tie. Keep it. If you leave it on, nta. On live. Togela remove. You guys are confusing me. It should be valid reasons. Like if I had to keep it, it should be like a valid reason. What is it giving? Highly thing is it rates and remove. Iklabangkang. Lebanta ne le wela ka kante. Ha ke tsore ke khotlile ka go lebanteng. Ha go tshwanne. Okay, cool. Gata ga e ntshwanne. Ha ke tsore lebanta le lone ke le tsentse ha kae. Oh. Ke itse 5 ml le tiak. Smart, what are watching yana ne? What are Royce yana watching yana something. Watching hake. Hence. What are watching yana again? These are the type of hands I can. Long sleeves. Eish. Rabata wachi bonala. Yo, what's up? Excuse me. Hekson so bua le ho ka na mthakala robata wa ra ka phone. Put hands on 15. Oh, these are legs. Hands on 15. Aba ga go gatle mona. If I put the hands go at 15, wa ga go ga da. I remember ne ke tsentse chain go ngwa tlhabana. Ah? Chain e tsentse ke mang? Ka tla go ntsha necklace. A ke hesh. Intjo ka ntone. Okay. Are you on YouTube? Yeah, we're live on YouTube at remmogovisuals. I'm live on YouTube as well. Guys, I'm trying to get like a watch. Props. Oh, watches. There we go. There we go. Apunye di better. And too much. Arma rosi di galas. Kana go shapa sa di galas. Ba tseka re di amo tshwanatse. Arma rosi di galas. Kana re dintshe. Kana go senya look. Se di tseng. Okay, a re dintshe. Yeah, o shapa agere. Mazabati. Usiami. Ukatsana Strada. Calvin, what's up? Ukatsana Strada. Ne ka tenile party maabane ke sena di-tattoo. Ne ke sena di-tattoo la maabane. Nka tsena ke re. Nka tsena ba fethu. Hey, la ntsha digalase. Hey, la chief. Tsenga di-tattoo. Ke tsega di-tattoo. Wa gona businessman yang o na le di-tattoo mo matsogong yaanong. Ne ke bua laela ke sa le gore ke a di batla. Ke me ka di-tattoo ka ntena bana. Do we really need tattoos na bana? Eish. E kaya Golf 7 Max. E kaya Golf 7. No, it Golf 7 it. I don't think we need tattoos. No, it's in tattoos. Yeah, I agree. Wait. How can I save this outfit? I got. Mana di wave mo tlhogong wena. Ay. Alright. No, re ka tsena mo bathong yaanong. This thing will not way too high for me now. Alright, cool. Give me that. 360 wave in knock. 360 wave. Go bosigo ebile. A re bona gore ke ba online la. Oh. So you are interested in making some money. Good. Go get yourself a gun and make it happen. Sending you the location now. Who is this? The boss. Who is the boss? Hey, tota nna ke mo mading. Ya no a ke tlo ro mannaka. That girl na head towel. Khonaza.
The number you have dialed cannot.
Okay, Danger. Hey, Danger. Danger is a wanted man, so I don't think he'll be.
The number you have dialed.
We're gonna see Danger anytime soon. He's a wanted man.
The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed.
Danger is a wanted man.
The number you have dialed cannot. The number you have dialed.
Yeah, a lot of people are not online today.
The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed.
Even the mayor is not here. What a mayor na why I have vacationing city The
number you have dialed.
Jerry, where's Jerry? Wait, I have Jerry's number, ne? Where's Jerry?
The number you have dialed cannot.
Jerry le ena ga yo. Okay. Batho ga ba yo gompieno. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What up, Tab? Yeah, it's not like people are there today. People are outside. Oh, cool. Wrong side, my guy. Yeah. Yo, bruh, are you landing the game anytime soon? Hey, you're a wanted man, my guy. Danger is a wanted man. They want him here in the city. I'm allowed to say I'm proud of you for working with Casper at Philip. Yeah, you're allowed, bruh. Bruh, I'm bent. I don't mind. It makes sense, bro. You're doing wild things here, Danger. You banned from what? From coming to the city. People, the stream misses you, bro. They'll be asking me where you are every time. It's like, yo, where's Danger, man? I know you're doing wild things, bro. Yo. For metagaming. Were you metagaming though? So what? You're looking for another CT or what's going on? Oh wait, let me do piece jobs. Wait. I want to wallet and streamer. Yeah. Hey, but can streamer ya no. Sure. Yeah, I was talking to you that day when we were doing that heist. Oh yeah. Oh, I remember you. They are. I think Akira might take a lot. They are take a lot jobs here, ne? Mining. Wait, I have a mining thing, bruh. Let me try. Take go check go mining. Ke bona go diragalang. Can I be that the Maya offered me to give me a job as an assistant? I'll be getting 500k per day, bruh. So in 2 days, you really meet. So I have to be like, I don't have to have a criminal record because they wouldn't hire me when I have a criminal record. So I have to be clean. Oh, wrong side of the road, yo. What mining I go like low push the poster. Bro getting rich. Bruh, slowly by slowly. Did you give up on Warzone? No, I did not. I just don't have people to play Warzone with anymore. People are busy with the holidays. So yeah, that's why I'm playing this game, because this game I can just meet anyone. A me koloi e tota e tla kgona go ya go ke yang teng. Ow, why are you siala mo tseleng ya me? I didn't give up on Warzone, no. I might actually play it later if people are online. Oh, I thought you finally realized it's not for you. Jokes. What? There's no such thing, bruh. People knew me because of COD, so I can't just dump it like that. That's like my first love. Yeah, I got the pops and bens kira ka bomo malita. Got the loot like the pops and bens tse. The light tsa ko pele matata ga di. They are not bright. Yeah, ga di bright. Someone is starting the package heist. Yeah, there are people in this map, and batoba by the heist when mapodisi ba se mo jutinda. First love is wild. Yeah, quality I go get. Wa ga nya thata chief. Relax. But chat, if you're watching this for the first time, please do follow me so you don't miss out when we go live again. Ukwa pipe we. Ukwa. Oh, Tato is here. Oh, Tato is online. Let me call Tato. Tato is online. Tasha. Yo.
Hello?
Yeah.
What's up?
Oh, actually.
Ash, there's no one in city, bruh.
Bruh, there's no one. I'm trying to make money here.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to go to the mine and see what I can get that side.
Okay. Do you wanna do that heist with the F&B truck?
Oh yes, and also can we clean this mine? Can I have that mine still? Can we clean it?
Ash, we need that guy, Don. He owns the money laundering place.
Yeah. Cause I just have this money and I don't know what to do with it.
Yeah, just hold on to it. Put it somewhere safe, like at your apartment or something. We'll wash it one time.
Cool. Did you guys manage to do those heists yesterday?
Nah, we flew out.
Aish.
My internet was bad. I was lagging.
Yeah, yesterday was bad. Also, I was lagging as well.
Yeah.
Hey, let me come that side so we can do the heist. Where should I meet you?
By the hospital.
Which hospital?
Like the apartments. You know the apartments by the hospital.
I think so.
Just by Legion. 8039.
8039 Aqua Shop.
Yeah.
8039. Hey, next is gonna hakalano. 8039. 803 8039 8039. Huh. We are getting hungry. Can't do I now know try to get tala yala man. Sure, BK. Back to span. Yebu. Remember, clean sheet. Malita. I need man. I need to buy a house. I need to buy cars, bruh. I'm the only one in the city who doesn't have cars. And girls in this city, bruh, if you don't have money, you can't get married here. So I'm trying to work myself up. I want to be like a mafia boss one day. Or the president. I want to be a lawyer or a policeman. Because I feel like that's the funnest jobs in this game. After your character is like me, I'm always hungry. Yeah. But that 100k will help you. Just wait. Ish. I got to the velocity, the handling, perfect. Like I can handle it properly. Hey, other cars, bruh. Hey, the 7.5R. Ish, I didn't talk to Hulk. Flip. Girls in the seat. I mean girls in the game, bruh. Girls in the game. I get the city kira game me. Not as in ish. Mutuki watla untula. The guy number 8. Number 8 eating. Did you guys see the video I posted with my Golf 8 on my profile? Go check it out. Ooh. I need to call Hoku. That game I happy to 2 minutes. Let me call Hoku 2 minutes. Not in real life. Yeah, in the game, bruh. Not in real life. Yo, what's up? Actually. Do you have the 17 Pro Max that side? Hey, there's a cousin of mine that he wants to buy one. No. He's still at the house. He's trying to go to the shop. $26. Hey, what 26? Okay, sharp. Let me tell him. Shop. Ke bua madi mo streaming yaanong tla ke muted a tlo go le nkgolega. Wild. Alright, cool. You guys can hear me again. We are good, ne? 1, 2. Sure. Alright. Yes. Alright, cool. Oh, Tata was calling. You don't drive and talk at the same time.
Hello?
Yo, I was on my head a few minutes. I was on my head. What's up? I'm almost there.
Did you see my text?
No.
To 8179. That's where you wash money. We'll try and wash without the one, but I don't know if it'll work.
Okay, but I'm almost by the hospital. I'm just here.
Yeah, come to the money washing place.
Okay, I'm coming. Hola. What's up? Yeah. Malapi. I'm happy. Shut up. What are we doing? Go tla tswa hela. Yo. Yo.
Hello?
Yeah, hi. I was on my head ish. I was on calls on
Bruh,
calls.
I've been waiting.
Bruh, I've been on calls, bruh. People want to buy stuff. I don't know why they're calling me. Ish. Excuse man.
We can do it later when you're free.
Nah. They were just calling.
Let
I
me
was just
show
on
you.
the calls. It's not like I'm busy.
This is
Can
where
I?
we're going. Let's go.
Okay. Ish, how do you drive on the when you're using the controller and talk at the same time?
You have to remove push to talk.
Oh, so when you drive, oh, I can let me remove it. Like we're just two.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me remove it.
But don't forget late.
Yeah.
To turn it off late.
Yeah. Hi. What did I do now? Yo. Okay, sharp. You can hear me again.
Let's go.
What's happening?
For the explosion.
Hey. It's not that gang. I think it's that gang. You remember that gang I talked about?
Yeah. Iba package heist. They
Yeah.
shoot anyone they see.
Oh.
Yeah, they'll RPG you.
I think these guys wish had friends with connection console for 6K. Haibo. What's happening that side? Oh.
Oh, no.
Kibone. Where is this place?
10 here.
Inside.
Go on.
Hey, go on.
Yeah. You can park here, so.
Wikidly. Please ask her to go live. Tash hat go get on live with you. We like no. I was looking for you. Let's go, yeah.
Okay. You have the money on you. The
Uh,
money to be washed.
should I put it on like? Oh, wash the
No,
money.
just have it in your pocket, then try to wash.
Okay, sharp. Let me try that.
So you need your keyboard for this one.
Yeah. You need cash token to mark bills, huh?
You need a token. Okay, hold on. Let me check.
Guys, oh, Tato is married in this game, bruh. She has a man. Oh, home street.
Yeah, no, you can't buy. So think about slash market.
Hey, wait, just give me a minute. You said I should own a shop. Wait.
Yeah, but you pay IRL money for that.
Huh?
It's IRL money.
No. Get out like in real life because hey. Because hey, the way I'm just giving people discounts is wild. Yo. Slash market, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you see the coin store.
Yeah, the coin store. Yeah.
That's where you would buy, but they're out of stock.
But it's saying active here.
That's active.
Yeah, they wrote active.
Click on it.
The store has
see
no
there's
items
nothing in
available.
stock.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so everyone has already bought their stuff. They need to restock.
We can't hear you.
So I don't know when they're gonna restock. I'll try and tell him to restock, but You see, even Omega still hasn't restocked the car. It's gonna
Yeah.
be listing. So I don't know. Anyway, do you know how to use this thing? Slash market.
No, I'm seeing there's McDonald's here. There's there's a lot of there's a lot of things. Tops, skydiving.
Yeah, so you can add stuff to your cart, and then it's better to do it outside. So you stand outside there, and then you order. And the guy will take a lot, will come in and bring you the package.
Oh, okay.
Someone's here. Oh, it's an NPC. But yeah,
Oh.
you just order something. If you want food or if you want illegal stuff, just check all the shops there. They have different stuff. You buy, then you wait outside. If Adiera, you can check your map. There's like an icon here, truck, like a truck. So you can see how far he is.
Ooh, you were kicked for exploiting market bills. Wait, what? Benile. Kirle ka phoso tlarra. You guys, we. Ke benile. But I didn't know, bruh. Eish, gata ka tshwanna go. Na bambe. No, I got benile. No, Rabantsi Malita, Rabantsi. I just don't have to use marked money more certain places because I thought I already said it glitchy there. So is that negative? Hey, wait, I can imagine. Oui, le tato. Tato! Oui, le gars, tato. Can I really?
The number you have dialed cannot be reached. Please.
I just want to join this. I think she left. I think she left, you know? Ke tla boa kgantele ya it deducts 7 million as a pity for that. Lol. I'm broke. Yo. Yo. So what happened is, because of what I did, ke penalized just 3 million. So ba tsere madi a ka wotlhe. So I'm broke. Ha gona madi a nka a tlhatswang. Ha ke na madi, ke broke. Literally. What? What? I have negative. Bruh. Since the trouble with mona lwena o tla mpoletsa batho. Do house robbery. I don't know how to do house robbery. So I'm alone. Tato went. A rota boa kganteng. Change dikoloi. Kana kganteng ne ke re ke a mining. Before Tato came in, I wanted to go to mining. Mining yolo kind of one. What's this? Chat, give me the guy that mining thing. Hey, I wanna be legit, yeah, no malita. Okay, I just have too much. Okay. Ish. I don't have enough. I don't, bruh. But I only have 10k in my name. Yeah, what take change koloi. Ba go charge gape go change koloi ke a charge because I can't just drop a car. Aish. Di dileng costile malita ka it's ao bana. I'm in debt. Kana wa re madi a ke a tsenyang hela. Ba go. You wanna keep picking up. Aish. For instance. Bruh, money problem in this game is crazy, bruh. You don't have enough money, but I get mad for petrol. Aish. I was penalized. Madiana rapid check for heist. Negri ka tlhatswa. O be ka ntsha go madi a sa ntshiweng teng. So o ba penalize. Go ira la nyano sa suit. Oh. Get a loan. Get a loan where? Ke heista mabani, heista mabani. Aish. Ke na le negative 2 million ma accounting. Gore madi a ke a ira nyana ba go a tsa. Ah. Ha ke re di piece job nyana tsela tse. Mo ke tla bona madi nyana mo teng. I think the ability relay you shouldn't flex some money. Yeah. Kibiele bafana ba nele se ga bona bafana gompieno. Those guys are not online. I'm forced to go ira tiro nyana e high for mine. Hey Mutuki, is it a local? Can I get Mutu? Okay, he's a local. Bra. A compete wena o di kwaba. I hope petrol a me tla ira ditiro tse tsotlhe tse tla bana. Ka ra hela ntse re na le mathata. Ba batla ke thuntsha pipe thata. I want to join you Matata ke dirisa PS. Hey man, it works perfectly ka PC. But I feel like it would be nice if they could make this for PlayStation as well. Those guys are making money, bro. The mayor of this city, 100 million ma accounting. Like he doesn't know what irenga ka madi a teng. Mabana na mpontsha dikoloi tsa ma 90 million. Ke re a o mona tla mna go mphe ya 10 million mona. Le pastor ya goda a ira za ka dog. Bile ga tikete ke re keng ka moso. Ba invited for service. $2 billion. PlayStation will be cooked. I don't know where is this place. Bara VW in sponsor ga one. Yo chara my pele. I can't see my Hey, got chat. You wouldn't believe what Tata just sent me now. How much is your PC? How much is your PC? Kihoku. Wait, what? Come again, bruh. Tato arotang otan tsenela 4 million. Tato na boka ma account din na ban. Are should dala me yang 4 meter there. Yeah. Guys, we have to have rich friends. They are very important. Very, very important. In total, ever since I started, ne, Tato has given me 5 million in total. So ke tla go mmotsa khantelela ke mara ke lita ka go mpolele nnete la mo account ona le bokae. Obviously ba irile join account le monna. So Tato o is it Tato ena that'll be wild. Wa patience khantele. Ora nna kana ora gore Tato wa teng. Your startup is dope. Thank you. It's a sign. What sign? You and Tata are cute together, to be honest. Ow, Tata onye juma like that. But if she wasn't, I would have not mind. But she's married. So I don't want to mess around with the guy. Even the guy is a cool guy. I'm not going to no event. Streams over groove, my guy. I'm not going to no event. Second place. Petrol etla pusha go. Where is Paul? They're not in the city. But AutoZone will be there. Hey, now I won't be there, my guy. I don't like going to places they don't benefit me in any way. Going to an event and I've been to so many events and all those people are performing malaita. Like ba bone mahala. Motho a teng ba pilelene ha so ke sharp. Man, I put your mic on push to talk. Oh, since I'm alone, eh? Okay, let me put it on push to, since I'm alone. Thank you for reminding me actually. Talk about Bena rap. Push to talk is whereby you see on the game, hanka heta motho ntse ke bua le lonana wa go nkutlwa. But I get into push to talk. I have to press N for them to hear me. Don't worry, you get used to the game. Thank you, my guy. Yo, chat, if you are here for the first time, please do follow me. And then how about level full screen? Land YouTube and just says remmogovisuals. So I will not get live without level full screen. Push the recha kala ba batla ho hetsa petrolana. What's the plan for the day? Streaming, getting food. Streaming, getting food, checking a friend ko Pakalani, checking Ricky to service my car. Back home, stream, sleep, wake up tomorrow, stream, go to church maybe. Stream. Stream. That's my plan. BTMA service la bokae mo December. Tota ga ke stream, nothing much. Hey, petrol la ma hela malita. Petrol la ma hela. And location a gompieno e kgakala e man. Eat. Stream. Negeri ke shakam ta stream. Me kare kan. What's this place called? Last location where I am. The stream I halala malaita. I get nabana na hare cho hare ni na bana. So re tlhola mo streaming here. The golf is on the floor, my friend. No, that's not the last poster. I was checking out something. Raka fuel. I can amadia fuel, Saban. I can amadia fuel. Wait, kitsen's A, kitsen's D. Why is it written P still? Take a ball. Am I done? Is this the last one? Place deliver poster. This is the fourth one. Assess. Chat, this is the fourth one. Hapetrole helan thing is just to rob someone at this point. The pops and bens kitchen did some petrol. Ah, low fuel ones like you. Ah, go kagala malita ka kwa. Ah. Ito mo lo ja bouncing. No batlile le stoko. Ah, no batlile le stoko re ska ja. Yay! No batlile le stoko. Ba ke na le makwani le stoko. Imagine kulia me swela mo mantlung tsa ba humida. Kana no re tswa mo Beverly Hills. Re tswa mo Sandton da. Re tswa mo Parks. Jury Kene ga. A ke na Jury Kene le ta. Warning ya bobedi. Are you happy like it? But a little go change koloi ga dura. Ba gon charge 5 to 15k and I don't have that money. Ah. Did get about 5 fee? Papa, you should get tala. Still a nice car. BK, can I have found my page on Google? There is a Viti. I can have Viti. And then after I put this poster, so ke duelwe. Ke se ke boele mthakole. Gore a ntuele. That's like the most boring part also. What illegal mining? But also, hanga chorwa ke illegal mining. I'm gonna have a criminal record, and then I won't be able to be given like legit jobs that you do. Because I had an offer, yeah, 500k per month if I don't have a criminal record. So if I do illegal mining, but chorwa ke na le mathata. Ah, go tough. Go tough. Go tough for my late dog. Kulo ya go tima ka nna. Ke di pops and bens tse di jang petrol is. Ah, why? Yeah, sure. Ah, why? Chai. Ah, it's chai. Ah, why? Ah, it's chai. It's chai. I think at least the peg I was in Shaolins chickity. Hey! Rira ya makgwa go ntsana. Or maybe you are Maya because you're always in the streams. Still a local car. Eish, I was still a local car. Eish. Eish. Ya no ke tsara spana tsentse ke se dira. A ntse sa go tswella. If I change the car. Bana ba tsa taxi but let me see something. Oh, okay. Eish, I can imagine, eh? Eish. Eish. A gona mosola ke no tlele koloi a gona ka utswang koloi e chief. Eish. Eish. Ke hloka madi a go mona twetse. Ka me madi ya ka eng ka ntone. What's this money for? Okay, 10k only. Can I not transfer the 10k? You bawatsa. Eish. Ga ba go tsa di parts tsa koloi. Chat rira ya na bana. Let me try to call someone. Maybe I'm getting lucky. Let me try to call Jerry.
The number you have dialed cannot.
Jerry's not there. Denjo Obenile.
The number you have dialed cannot.
Who else is here? Jack. I don't have Jack's number, ne?
The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed.
Ish. Paul.
The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed.
Look at now stakile ana le moral life gape go sena o letsa bafana. Okay, this guy out there. At least there's someone. It's just to steal fam. I got to
Hey, PK.
Hola.
Yebo.
Ogoka.
Oh, I chiamo. Hello. In the garage. Auto trade.
Auto trade. You trying to buy a car?
I want to check some cars.
Hey, bro, I have a situation. You. They shied me there. Ish. So I did a young heist, you see.
Yeah.
I was trying to watch the money.
Yeah.
And then I put my money in my short keys, and when I removed it, I got penalized like 3 million.
You?
Now I'm broke. My car finished petrol. I'm just stuck here.
Where?
It's 7. I'm at 7039.
7039. You want to be told?
Ish.
Must I told you?
Ish. Can you like bring a jerrycan or something?
Yebo.
I can pay petrol here.
PK.
What's up?
You said I must come to tow you.
Hey, but do you have a jerrycan? Jerrycan.
No. It's expensive.
It's expensive, ne? It's like 1 million.
Is it million or billion? That man I can't.
Ish.
Can't count. You want to be to? I can tow you to the nearest garage.
You can tow me to Legion, eh?
Problem. Even 71 is 7110. Eh?
But the thing is, I don't have money for nothing. I can't pay petrol. Can you pay petrol for me?
Yeah, serious. You don't have money.
Bruh, I have negative 2 million in my account.
Negative.
Ah.
How much you have before?
I had like 600k plus the money for the heist. So they took everything. I only have 10k.
Did you buy coins to wash the money?
Hey, I was trying to do that, but they were not there. They were not on stock.
Online, or even online?
Yeah, they were not on stock.
So it means you can't wash money.
Yeah, they took the money. I can't wash nothing now.
So did you do postal?
I was doing postal now, and my petrol finished. Hey, but
So
I
you
have
need
problems.
to finish. You need to finish postal first.
How?
Yo, hi. Where's the other car?
Ish, bruh. I have to remove it from the garage, and they're gonna pay me. They're gonna charge
phone.
me.
Use your phone.
I tried. It says you don't have enough money.
How?
Hey, bruh.
It's worse.
It's worse.
Minus 2 million. Yo. I have to work hard. Yeah. Come say the postal is let me go and take out the van.
Ish.
Yeah.
It's still as bad, yo.
Minus 2. Yo. So postal every hour means 4 hours.
Hey, bruh. It's bad. I'm having a hard time, bruh. This city is not.
It's expensive. Yeah.
This city is expensive, bruh.
Yo.
And yesterday, you know Jason?
Yeah, I know Jason.
Bruh, you was trying to kill me yesterday, bruh.
Why?
I don't know. We were at a party. It was nice. We went from the yacht and we went to someone's. I mentioned that to a party. So I told these guys I don't know how to swim.
Yeah.
And then he picked me, threw me in the water, put me down, and he was punching me, kicking me. I was like, bruh, why are you trying to kill me? And then when we go out, when we get out the water, he's telling people, no, BK is just crazy there. I was playing. He was like, bruh, you almost killed me. I left the party.
Yeah.
And the party stopped.
It's worse.
This city, bruh.
Survival of the fittest.
Yeah.
So, okay, you'll do, I don't know if Maria, but with 6. Yeah, okay, you'll do the postal. After postal, we'll do the electricity then. And see how much we can make.
Fish, all right.
Yeah, I'm busy pouring petrol. The van is empty. Get no sense.
But I've put in petrol at 80k the other time. I'm like, You see, I was speaking. I met the president, ne?
Yeah.
And I was talking to him. I'm like, yo, Mr. President, why is it expensive in this town? It's like, it's like, no, I just won the election. I'm trying to change stuff, but you know, things don't change quick.
Yeah, at least. Let's hope it will be cheaper.
Yeah.
I said the postal is because I'm at Legion now. 9, is it 9?
What's 9?
The postal.
Oh, no, 7039.
7039. Let me check. 7039.
Hey, I'm far, yo.
Is it closer to postal or? 7039. Hey, I'm busy checking 7039.
Ish.
But now I'm still new, Lane. Mind you, these numbers 7028, 7030. Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm fine, eh?
You are too far. Yeah.
Let me just make a plan. It's fine. If it's too far.
I'll borrow you maybe one car and finish. Then I'll tow this one to Legion.
Okay.
Then we'll finish the postal. After that, we'll meet here in Legion and do,
Okay, Aisha.
The electricity ones.
Okay,
I think it pays maybe 3 or 6 now.
All right.
Yeah. I will cover that 2 million. Hey, Mariah.
Is a lot, bro. Yo.
If it pays 6, you must do it how many times? 3 times. Hey, you are working on a negative.
And I just got here, bro.
Mara, did you wash any money or you were
No,
just
I was
starting?
trying to wash the man.
Mm.
I was the first time washing the man, and I got penalized. Yo, Gideon, what's up?
Yeah.
So, ish, bro.
It worsens.
Hmm.
You. Gambi, you are driving that white.
Yeah, I'm driving today. I'm driving the Velocity.
Or should have I checked the cams?
Today I just hijacked the car and just finished.
Yeah. What is 70?
7039.
Huh? Oh, 7029.
7039.
You know me. Me, I just mark 7029. How?
7039.
Oh, hayi. Bengilahlekile nje asingibona. Okay. I should have checked the
Aware.
cams.
Yeah, let me hijack a car, ne?
Yeah, there are no PDs at least.
Okay, sharp.
Okay. So I must told the one you left there, ne?
Yeah, I told the one you left you.
Okay.
Right.
Oh. I can't. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, you are here.
Yeah, or let me borrow. Let me check. Have one here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me check one that got petrol because yeah, it's expensive.
It's expensive, bro.
How many left posters?
I think there were 3 left.
Oh,
Chat, Monda given.
Oh, I did got 55%. Yeah. PM 39.
Always got your back all the time. That's why when you meet people in the city, take their numbers because you never know who's gonna help you. This guy is the one that I saw passing on earlier. You remember that black car that I was saying there's someone I know?
Let me check the MK one.
This was the guy.
20%.
This city is tough, guys. This city. Man. Petrol.
Hey, it's only this one that got petrol. Yeah. The others.
Which one?
Audi.
The Ford.
Audi. It's coming.
Oh, it's coming.
Yeah.
Is it the Audi?
Yeah.
Oh, all your cars are orange. So all your cars are orange.
Yeah, one color. Hey. Okay, we'll meet in Legion. Let me give you the keys.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, no, thanks, man.
Sharp.
Sharp. Aish. Hey, guli yellow ne tabaka tatamban. Takibon. Aish, maliktaka. You need friends in life. Something ki khweza Audi da. Guli ya taboka ya messes. Wait. Ako seka a hetsa petrol gape. A ke a change koloi ke adimile koloi. There's this guy I met the other time. But it's a number. We haven't met or anything. Can online. But I'm gonna talk kadima koloi da. E koloi yo. Koloi lo ne stock kwa la ya kwa. Motho ke o mo kgweetsa ka mosadi mogolo o mo tseleng o thabana. Where's this place? It's upstairs, ne? Oh, I'm on left with one. Okay. At least. King Madi, is negative those ones. Get the negative ida. YouTube, get negative. Gideon, those are negatives. How much is your whole setup? Hey, I don't like talking about money, my guy, because you guys pickpocket. Yo, yay, 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 yay. Kuli yarella tlhabana ao banna. Chat kuli yarella malaitak. Kuli yarella kuli yan gria ina grip. Kuli yarella malaitak. Ala taloga. You got a Golf 7R. Yarel. Ujire backyard ya batho. Batho ba bana le madi bao. The graphics are nice. Go to YouTube. Go grab the ones in YouTube. YouTube are nice, abra. YouTube has nicer graphics. If you think these ones are nice, go watch on YouTube. At remmogovisuals. And also, if you're watching this for the first time, please do give me a follow, so you don't miss out when we go live again. So you don't miss out. Ah, it's a police here. I can sing him like that. Yes, I'm live on YouTube at remmogovisuals. So I'm done with this mission. Chat, got two da. The TikTok one I bet. Okay, cool. No, if you say so, it's fine. Should I keep the same format? Can I get again Nale gameplay we can Mokota Simul? Can I see a you guys can see properly again. After making the man. Yeah, after making the man. I have to go look for food. Yeah, get tal. Ah. Yo. Bona to kill. Hey, wait till the local man did all quit. One tour. I want somebody out. Trip tsena di nnetse ne di le kgakala a bontsha madi a la utlwalang gone mme le dira jang this format OBS so madi a mphang I'm not a reckless driver. It's tough. Yo, what's up, Prince? So cash can I 542k. Can I cash? Cash can I loan? How can I do? TikTok graphics are better. Okay. No problem. Hey, there's a guy called Usopp. Can on tirets thought. I'll be lying if I say I know how to do it. Usopp can I really do it. Na Legion ikyo ni agad. Until Legion feel Legion agad. There you go. Can I trade the Huawei for an iPhone? Value I think is gonna be too low. Koloi yone ka bo yone hela ke do di sele. Ke a tlhaloganya ke ya dimile but nah bra. Nta go ha service koloi. Amogela hela eban koloi ye nya. 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 That's so much. Wow.
Hey, PK.
Yeah, my Legion, eh?
You were quick. I'm coming now.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah, I also paid petrol for you.
Okay, sharp.
Oh, very.
Can I put petrol using cash?
Yeah. If you have cash, yeah, it will deduct. Yeah, if you have petroleums, I
Wait.
did pour for you.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, you can check. It's full tank.
Thank you, Mine.
Oh,
So,
very.
wait, let me. I'm in my head. I'll be back. Hola. Yeah. Ka nne mo ke a batla go reka phone gompieno bana go iragala nne bana le phaka madi go gongwe kana ke mna ke letse ke batho ba le bo 4 ba batla 17 Pro Max gompieno ke bitswa re go iragala eng gona re wena o letsana ga re batla phone o batla eng ba re a checka habibi da go game city ga ke itse mela mo checkile ka mahadi le sharp ka re gompieno batho ba rekanyana so ra re he's in a good mood so wa go ka mahadi le sharp wa re latala habibi chief e go mmotsa sure Eish, today. Mtako wile o. Can I get a new battery or I store for? Yeah, you can actually. Yo, chat. Full tank, yeah, man. Aye. Oh, yeah, papa, man. Hey, how you win, man? How you win, man? Yeah, how you win, man? Let me do this. I can only remove the velocity here. All right. So, chat. Don't you want to meet you down? It's a trouble, we no one meets. Habibi gave me a good offer on my Logitech G29. Like that. It's the Hokoway. Yo, Junior, what's up? The Hokoway. It's Malita. Get the let's amela hela Malita. Get la hadi dealing. Keep talking like kisa berka le hoko kana go ntsang. Wait. Life will be boring. Yo. Hey, where to? I think I need to lend the bank. So you deposit them at the. Can I have another bank is negative? Eish. I can put it. I you bawata madinyana me. But I need to go to the bank. I need to lend the bank. Oh, this is money wash. Where's the bank? Bank. What a papaya ka mo game chori ke tlala. Le nan real life ke chori ke tlala. Hey, tla ke deposit madi a pele. Hai bona motho ke o tlala ba nthula bana. Malita, I just give them a call, Malita. I don't know all the prices got told. So if you want to know anything, just give them a call. Like you can somebody negative fee. Oh, reason. Oh, la re mo bankeng kwa ntse ke na negative o itse ba fana ba batla go ntsela zaka yotlhe la o itse. Ke gone nka reng hu ke dule mo negative. Ke gone ke tswa mo me checking. This city a tura Malita, to be honest. Ke a pere shoot go ira la game e mati hela. No go tikire electricity job. Electricity ba go kae bona ba ke Eskom. Hey, ya re boya kwa Eskom da re bona re go ira galang. Kante go jwa go jwa seng go no reka KFC, go no reka McDonald's, Nando's, you can buy o go no beer le Black Label le da di Hennessy. O go no do je dintsi da. Ne ke sa tsa loan. Gideon ne ke sa tsa loan. Ne ke charge-itswe. Ne ke cleaner madi a highest one, ba ban charge. Because what I was doing was illegal. And then I ban charge. I ba tsa madi o tla mo ba ba tsa madi aka o tla kana loan plus madi aka a utswileng go highest. Thato gante la ha tla nnela 4 million la ke bue sepe ntse ke mora ke re ke a kolota. So I'll be 4 million reach a gante la thato a nnela mali. So a ke mmolelle gore ke dile mo negative ke didimala like a 10 okay. Ha go mo lifeng ya thato ga mo lifeng le nchekele ora thato mo lifeng supervisor level 1 okay. Select maintenance area. Service area 1 100,000. Oh, go tswela gore ha experience I me tswa yang. So the more experience I have, the more money I'm gonna get. Look your car to disappear. Okay, tlana ke ithuta go wena o tlela da. So start job. Okay. Na go tla ko mading repair 3 repair 3 repair 3 8 hey la tlo repair dio tse dintsi ke rile ke ta kgona kana ba mpha koloi ya bone. Wait, I'm using that car, ne? Guys, how do I lock the car? How do I lock the car? KG. Oh, David. Car locked. Alright, cool. Ga re ke go change diaparo. Go tswa side e feng yone? Ba gana ka koloi ya bone. Oh, I'm sitting on the wrong side. Ama peleano ke bankanya kae? Chat, I'm lost. A ba tswana go mpontsha gore ke bankanya kae mo mmepeng. Ke yone mellonyana ya ke dira go motlakaseng ha kere. Oh, ke dira go motlakaseng. All right. But before Kira, I think I need to be wearing clothes so that. Oh, when? Catch one. Take what like our battle dulan as a thing. Ha ke hetsa mission eo. Ke a reka dijo malaita. So I looked the part. Hey, it's like a no tell go by it. No, like food in real life. Like, yeah, sure get tala malaita. Yes. Wi da gala nyanong. Eh, ke duetse go da chief. Oh. Mosadi ke o tla na o ntsela mask. Yeah, I found out to lock. Se ka simela ka mask pele. Jacket. Arabata jacket ya mtakase da. Hello rating. Is this jacket kind of like a t-shirt? I think it's t-shirt. It's in jacket. I think let's start with t-shirt. Yo, ke a shaya no, what's this? Tu be eh corner da, eh ke a sha. Anka tsenga jacket ta North Face chief. Ke bereka ko mtakase, nka tloga apara ka mthaka. Ka tla apara mthaka go power, ka tla outfit ya teng. Hey, the tools ke tswa bana, re simola gone. The tools ke tse. Body armor, hands, legs. Make it tlhakom. Re le ka go batla something that's appropriate. As a heist, something that's construction like genie maybe be get ready Timberland go class. Allora ke bone sepe se tlo ba para genie blue ager. If it is a bon overall. But I think overall should be there. Still dingwe sempe di loada da so e ya tle go batla overall ya sorta la tla jean. So that's 102. Plain jean 102. Lady glasses, okay. Hey, I think when I was at the trick shoot down, it should be somewhere this side. Can I get a parachute? I got overall ga yo yan. Hey. Re bona overall ke 137. 137. Make a fire extinguisher. Yeah, I think you're 137. And then color. Can I change it? Okay, I can't. Okay, cool. Ditlhako. Okay, get the booty. And then t-shirt. That one 137. Okay, 137. I'll try to live. I thought you have the same thing. Yo gape sa motho ga la piso itse. We need an overall. Okay, this could work. 215. Those are good, isn't it? 215. Okay. 215. And then hey, swap sa motho. A white t-shirt. This can still work, I get. This can still work. Chat. Can this still work? Matata re bondu tse ke di tsentseng ka hat. Yeah, bro. It could work, I get it. Okay, cool. Yeah, no, good props in aren't so watching. And then there's no head. Hat and helmet. Okay, I don't want to go clone qua. Yeah, I know. I'll parachute you. I'll parachute you. Aish. One or two piece. I'm. Kile ka go bat yone two piece ya. Ya overall. Kana wanya no mna wa ntira o mna wait. Mana the way even that. Ah, per raga la sole. There we go. Okay. Go setseng. Ha ke a rata gore nna ke dire parachute mthako o e tsaya ka eo. Ke wa go ama kere. It's not armor. Ke tsolo tsala ka parachute go morago yo wait. Eish, bra. Two, 1, 215. Ha ke tsore. Oh, okay. Okay, rin. Noted. Soldier boys. Bro, we can't hear you. We can't hear you. For real. You guys can hear me. It's fine, okay. Do we really need to put glasses now on? Do we really need to put glasses? How do you? Yeah, we need to remove the watch. The glove da. The glove, you are like a hands. Which ones are we trying to go with? They got to the back at. Okay, these ones also are not bad. Do you have like construction gloves? Okay, there we go. I think we can mess around with the color. We can. 67. The 67, our thing. $67 is our. Okay, these black ones are not bad also. I can take these. I got. Hola. Hey, I think I'm done with this guy. Hey, la what's some panale watch it. Why does he still have a watch? Yeah, I think that watch is fine. This guy was sharp. Nice. Can we see if I get a BPC? Alright, cool. Okay. Ara t-shirt ya rona nne white. Kana re to le siame. Re le white agere. Kana I siame le black. It's not a white. It should be white, ne? It's fine. Sure. It's siame. I gotta kill yo little in Spanish. Okay, that is fine. Because I like a soapy yo. Oh, I locked the car. I didn't unlock the car. Stop thinking, bruh. Okay, let's do our first job. First job. Can I chaile? Is there anything near here? First job wiki here. Arengo loko. Bana bile go bosigo. Eh mwana sala ke eish. Ke bana hire o se tlo go batla outfit da. Ke ona mathata a me ona. Ke lo batla outfit ya Spanish chief gore go make sense. Ke batla promotion gape go. The highest the battle we run all about. I can't do hairstyle alone. So for now I just do clean jobs. Umpon. Hi bo, ha ke itse go dira galang go ha. Guys. Hopes we get mutakas. When are you getting the corn mobile Hoko 20 big boss? I'll update you guys, don't worry. Hey. Lopez we get mutakas over there. 274 273 272 273 272 273 272 271 2. What happened? Is it fixed? Kan te go iragalang go ke sa tlhaloganyana. Ke rile ke na le experience ke eng gone mo. I'm lost. Oh, this. Hey! Someone is doing an ASCOM job as well. Latela motho. What happened? Ah, wheel. What's happening now? Kata latam ta go wirang ASCOM le leno ke mmotsa gore go re no go bakeng tse di hapeletse. Es ke akanyetse ka bonyo itse. It's the same thing. Hi bo. Hating. What ke batle na le di volts tse di go tlase and then she should off. ke tsere tiro hela ke tsere go iragala eng ke hile tiro hela ke tsere go iragala mo go yona bro wait come back that's simple current go iragala eng put it on yellow there's a current counter so what you do is power the ones with a lower volt how do I power them how do I power them you keep on closing and opening I don't understand the logic. How do I charge it? That's the thing. I can see the lower ones, but how do I charge it? Do I third eye on it? Oh. Oh, I see. I see. Wait, what? Remove the screws. That's the that oh like so like that. But yeah, no. But what I don't get is I removed the screws. Oh, le kotsi malaitaka. What happens? After I remove the screws, what happens? I remove all the ones with... Oh, this one needs to be removed. Ke mechanic. A ka la anticipe. Ke mechanic a ka la anticipe malaitaka. Ke mechanic o motho. A ka la anticipe. PSG. How to go bidang? PD. Ke mechanic o motho a ka la anticipe. Ne ke le testa la kitso ne ke itso banka ke itso go ira dutse. Ne ke le testa la ke itso go ira dutse. Ya nako ira gala re tsotlhe ano ke dintshego then what? E ke ntshitse. Ke ntshitse. Eish. Ke o na boloile ke tlala ya la. E ba le nna in real life in tshwere tlala yo. E ke ntshitse a gere. E ke ntshitse. So I guess I go to group full. How do I remove them? Remove, so you put on a new one. How do I remove them? And also, do I need to choose them off? Wow, singer, bro. Oh yeah, it's all the screws now. So wait, look at it. Do I have to turn them off? How do I turn them off? Oh, these are the new ones. Ha! Yeah. Agalante sepa malaita. Ooh, wait, is it fixed? It's not fixed, you. Is it fixed? It's fixed, isn't it? Is it? It's fixed. Ah, ke kotsi chat. Oh, ke kotsi. Limpitse kwa magalona da na le sengwanya plaka ishule kana hey, call me. Go shuleng gape gone. Oho. I get go ire mal. Yeah. Go iragala nyano. I get go banka yema later. I have to dip and go find food. What? Ke a di goga yana. Ana go iragala eng goga. Hey. Hirile re ta khona. Oh! Yes, tabuni. But I didn't megala yana. Who iragala ngantaba?
Mnumzane.
Oh la. Hey, I'm in a piece job, yo. Chat king kana go. I get to apa malita ka ki khatla. I don't know how to cook. Ka go iragala nyano. Hey. I think. Can't you always find food but you don't cook in your place? Baby girl I malita, guys. My chef is not there. I don't cook. Connect them. Di kana go connect. Oh, it was too good to be true, no? Hey. Yo, I'm doing a piece job here, ne? What's the I am? Yo, where you going?
I'm doing electric.
You're doing the same job as me, ne?
Oh, Musona, I told you to wait for me. Then you decided to wait.
But I was, I forgot. We should have done it together.
Yeah, at least it pays. When we are single, I think it's 300.
When we are two is how much? When we are two is how much? When we are two is how much?
600 each.
6. Yo.
How bad are you left with now?
Hey, I'm left with a lot, bruh.
Yo. Let me do traffic lights, man. I'll see you.
Sharp.
Sharp.
It's chat. Ke bankantse ka ntoga go iragaleng kara a teng press E to fix ha ke a bankanya tlana ke bankantse bana chat ke ha ke ire sentle ha ka ena bana no, my hand is not there. She's the one that normally cooks, so she's not there. Udu lady out there. Is this fixed? It's fixed. It's fixed, ne? It's fixed. Is it fixed? Hey, it's fixed. Alright, cool. Kuna lengwe ka. Ke flopile 600. Yo. Oh, same thing. Yeah, these ones are easy. These ones are easy. I'm gonna get like a speedy. Like it's a labor, man. Oh, damn it! It's a labor. Ke bankanya na bile mo ke sa labor. Easy that thing. Easy that one. Easy that one. Mister, do you sleep? What do you mean do I sleep, bruh? Could say cha cha cha. Awa bafana. Ye hae mi gare staboni gara ga ya hela ye ya gana staboni yana yone actually really cha 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 fixed ne awe a le ngwanyana ka nka tabogela ka mo eish e gana go bankanya ka goreng Kanta ha ke tswa mo Spanish ha ke boela you are always dreaming. Not really. I wake up early, do what I have to do my edits, do my jobs, deliver to client. And then from there I stream. Happy go December, boss. So I'm done with most of the work. So I'm free. That's why I stream. What am I fixing? Hi boo. Oh. Eish, ki rapi. Eish, yetiru yujure king. Chat. Let me go buy food. Kishore kitlala. Yo, mudimu. Yo. Respect the grind. Orekile the phone. Agerekise the phone. Malaita ka tla ke go jang. Yo. Ke bona se didi yala. Yo. Yo guys, let me que chore que tal yo been streaming for 2 hours 30 minutes. Let me go eat. Which city is this one? This is the live in SA. I have to go eat and from there I might go to the barber. From the barber, I might go to Pakalani. From Pakalani, and then I come back. So I give it now, I give it about 5, about 6. But if I finished quicker, about 4, I should be here. How about on traffic? About to buy label born and raised the I want about. So get in and out. Look what you join. It's like it's hell. I want to use that Grootman visuals thing, which I like it. Next video later that I'm dropping is gonna have that Grootman visual at the end. Hey, but if you're watching this for the first time, please do follow so you don't miss out when I be live again. Like I'll go YouTube, I go do subscribe so I get a live or send that notification. Rona ba ba sayang gope, ba ba sayang di eventing leng, ba sempe ba le mono. Tle re le gone hela. Ke da tle ke na le lona gone hela. A le gore ke ga ile nna. Tle ke na le lona hela gone hela ha. A re tla khogana di ngwaga rotlhe. Gone ha. Ba ile gore le gone ha. But a le gore go gae o libile gape re tla khoga o tla khoga dingwaga le rona o tsolo go gae nna ntse re le gone ha. Ke tsala gore mahoko a makola kalo guys, let me dip. Ke tlhale bona. Ke tlhale bona ke boa. Ska la lebala modimo ke ene morena a le one. Ska la lebala. And I'm out. TikTok again. How do I close TikTok? Peace. And then YouTube is the last one, and